All right, y'all, back at you. And we're bringing you a pool garden tour today.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've done one of these. So.
Yeah, it has, and we've been popping new stuff in. Annalisa's got some planters and stuff going, so we thought there was enough change out here that it was time to do another pool tour.
Yeah, and stuff's grown a little bit bigger too. So.
All right, where do you want to start, babe?
All right, let's start over here and work our way.
Okay.
So Brent just planted heliconia.
Yeah, so heliconia has become my favorite flower. And you can see I scored a pink one right here. I guess before we go any further, guys, I want to point out that most of the plants that we're about to show you here, we got for free.
Yes, all but that heliconia.
Well, not all of them. There's one or two, but we get.
Yeah.
But anyways, we get. If you guys check out our other videos, we do a series of videos called the Plant Pirates, where we go around our community looking through people's landscape debris piles on Landscape Debris Pickup Day, and we score all sorts of cool stuff. Almost all the bromeliads in here, all the dracaena. But she's right. We did not get this heliconia for free. I actually scored this at Home Depot the other day. It was the last heliconia there. It was hiding in the bananas. And it's a pink one. And I collect, again, if you guys check out our other videos, we collect. We collect tea plants, we collect dracaenas, we collect food plants like bananas, pineapples, all sorts of stuff. But I do collect heliconia, and I don't have a pink one yet. We have one of the kind of heliconia we have with flowers that look like this. We have like a red one.
We have a red one, an orange one, a red-orange one.
And then this pink one.
And a pink one.
Yeah, so I was real stoked to find that.
We're hoping we'll eventually get some lobster claw to take for us that we've collected in Plant Pirates.
So you can see from this angle, you can't really see the heliconia, but I planted it right there so I could actually see it while I'm working on my grill here, because
when I'm in the kitchen.
I just love heliconia. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, what else we got? We got some bromeliads popped in here.
We collect bromeliads too.
We got some
ginger.
We have this this wandering Jew. It's filled in here. It's a great ground cover. I mean, you can just when you're sick of it, you can just pop one out like that, and I mean, they're just. And honestly, you could pop this right in the ground and it would keep growing.
Yeah,
I mean, these things are
just
just like
shock. We just throw it away. We
they're
have so
so
much
tough.
of it.
Yeah. So I'm trying to start popping more interesting stuff in here, like bromeliads and stuff. And we actually added some new cordyline back here. So stoked. So this bed's starting to look good, I think, with our variegated ginger and stuff.
Definitely. And this is all stuff that gets splashed by the pool water.
Yeah, that's another thing, guys. All the plants that we have in here have to be tough, you know, because we have kids. You can see I tell them to take their toys out of the pool, and there's always a couple left over. But we have kids, and they got to be able to splash around and have fun. So these plants have to be tough with pool water, and also they can't drop too much stuff or it'll clog my pool filter. So really, these guys right here are the only things that that drop stuff into the pool. Everything else in here, this is the only thing I'll find in my pool filter is these leaves. But I think they're worth it because they're so cool. I just love these.
So check out this pot of succulents that your mom gave us, I don't know, maybe 2 months ago. I love this little plant right here. I almost feel like this one needs to go in its own little pot.
Yeah.
So it can be in its full glory.
I didn't even see that one.
Because it's getting overcrowded by this other stuff.
Look at this one. This one's just like flowing out of the...
going and going. This paddle plant is too. And I think that's hens and chicks right there.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. I like that arrangement.
I love all the colors.
We haven't done anything. This pot's just been sitting there. We haven't watered it or done anything to it. We actually went out... We went on vacation several months ago and moved it out here so it could get some rain, and we just let it sit there, and it just took off. I mean, it's just
doing great. That paddle plant does
look
really
at this little one down here.
Yeah, it's a little hens and chicks.
Oh, man.
I think. That's what it's called.
All right, cool.
And this is another one, too, I think, right here.
Nice.
I think that's a unique one.
Look at that, guys. It's not even in the ground.
It just died, maybe. And then this is a different one right here.
Oh, they're so cool.
And... this stuff is kind of taking over.
Cool.
Let's filling in.
Let's show them these pots over here.
Yeah. So I just love bromeliads in pots. I think it just adds so much.
I'm just starting to just love bromeliads in general. She used to always want to get bromeliads at the store, and I would look at it and be like, well, why would you want that? But like now I get it, guys. Like I mean, they're so tropical. They come in so many different sizes, shapes, colors.
And they add a lot of like architectural
texture and like
interest and
I
color.
just love them. So where do you want to start? Which pot? How about this little one?
So this was another one that your mom put together for us. There's like a variegated jade plant and then regular green jade. It looks like this is like a type of aloe. I recently popped the little hens and chick. We got the air plant place right there. And another jade, and then look, this is another one of those cool little plants.
I just spotted that one.
Teddy said those are his favorites, so I think we should make a special pot just with those.
All right, guys, here's some free plants right here.
Yep,
both of these.
Free.
These are both free. This aloe and this bromeliad. Free
aloe
plants.
does awesome in pots, and it looks really cool in pots. I've got some oregano here.
There's another free plant.
This is Mother of Thousands.
This is Mother of Thousands.
Yep.
All right, guys. So you can't see right now; they're not on here, but
wait.
they call this.
It's like growing on concrete.
Yeah, they call it Mother of Thousands though because these leaves right here, they'll get these teeny little things on the tips of them. You can kind of see one right there, but there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. There'll be a million all over here, and they pop off and just form a new plant.
Yeah, look in here.
Yeah, I mean, look at that.
See.
That's why it's called Mothers. It's not. This is not oregano down here. These are all millions of Mother of Thousand plants. So.
And then in here, I
look at this
just
bromeliad.
popped in another like red bromeliad here. This is not a very pretty one, but this is like a starfish-looking flower. It's kind of stinky, I've heard. But
That's not the one that we have planted up front, is it? That had the amazing flower?
yes.
Oh, okay.
So
wow,
that's this
yeah,
one, and it's doing good. And then this was one we got on Plant Pirates that it was biting the dust out in the yard. But look, it's getting some new growth. It looks pretty pitiful now, but. And then we put some Okinawan spinach in right here, and it popped up over here. It died in the middle and popped up over here. So I originally wanted this all to be Okinawan spinach because it wasn't doing good out in the yard. But that, I don't know.
You can see, guys, you can see we have a lot of oyster shells in the dirt here. Our property actually, I mean, we have a lot of signs of Native American habitation on our property, for lack of better words. We find Native American pottery all the time and stuff.
You got a good one today.
I did get a good piece of pottery today, about this big. But we have a shell midden in our backyard, like kind of over there behind the kids' fort. And I mean, we just find artifacts all the time. It's super cool. I mean, I just, especially for me, because I just love the Native American like. Just the history and the culture is just so cool.
I just love holding a piece of something that
somebody made hundreds of years or thousands of years ago.
It's
just
somebody
amazing.
else held it.
Just amazing.
I just think
wait, we got to do this pot right here.
So the string of bananas, another bromeliad.
String of bananas, is that what this is?
I think so.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I can see what they call it.
Look at the little plants right there. Good. And then that's called like lamb's ear, maybe?
Yeah, I bet you're right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Your mom told me the other day, and I forget. This pot needs some holes drilled in it, but the aloe is still hanging
guys,
on,
this aloe is not. This is not the color aloe is supposed to be. This pot is super wet.
Honestly, though, like look how thick it is.
Yeah, I know, but it's bad.
Thicker.
I have to keep dumping this out because it just fills up with water.
I know, but you know, aloe is all water, so I wonder because like these are way thicker than the ones.
Yeah, I know, but still, maybe we drill a hole in the pot at least. I mean, these will be swimming in water when it rains.
And then it doesn't look so good.
So this bed needs a little bit of work. I need to add a little something back here, I feel.
I put the cactus right there.
Oh yeah, here's another free plant. I guess these are all free plants, guys. We got that the other day. Then all these bromeliads we found on the side of the road, believe it or not. Well, probably not all of them. I'm sure these put off pups and then we replanted them eventually. I don't think we got all three of these.
These are pups from one.
So you can see, like, there's a pup right there.
Pirates. This was one we collected a while.
Yeah, these are some free ones, but here's some new pups back here. We got this tea plant back here on the side of the road.
It just finished blooming.
Yeah, it just got its flowers, you can see, but yeah, so this bed, I feel like we could use one more, maybe taller plant in the back. Here. It's a little ugly, but we're getting there. So, all right, what we got? Uh-oh, guys, I'm gonna have to jump in the pool to show you what's over here.
Doing good right here. This is like the most.
Here, watch out, babe. Can you step back here so I can? I can film it. Yeah, so this tea plant, I'm pretty sure I bought at Home Depot a couple years ago before we started collecting free stuff. Maybe that's one.
Before we knew we could do that with tea plants.
I think I bought that one though, in full disclosure. Too. So these we got for free though. We have two varieties. We just showed you another variety right over here. And these are just so amazing. I mean, like, look at this. You got this side of it, and then like the other side has like got like stripes going down. It's just an amazing plant. And these are great house plants. They're just super tough. So
Clean the air.
we got a, let's see, we got a croton in here, right there. Seems to be doing okay.
Yeah,
We
it seems super happy.
got some more bromeliads over here. I love these. They got like the pink tips on them. Oh man, I hope I don't fall in the pool, guys. At least my camera's waterproof. You see, these are shooting off all sorts of pups over here. We probably need to go ahead and separate these, eh, babe?
Yep, I think it's time.
We kind of like to, we don't want them, if you're not careful with bromeliads, they'll run on you. We have a neighbor that has, this is her whole front yard. Is these right here, this one that's this orange one. So
Which is cool too.
yeah. Oops, you guys aren't supposed to see back here. That's where I keep my pool stuff. You're supposed to look at the plants from like about this angle. There we go. Much better. And again, same with this bed. I think we might put some kind of taller stuff back here as we get it. But you know, we get so many free plants. It's kind of hard to justify buying plants, especially like tropical ornamentals.
Ones that could die from chlorine or whatever. So.
But these are some great, this is what I'm talking about. Look at these bromeliads. They're like 3 feet tall.
So I thought these were the red ones, but I think these are a little different.
Yeah, they're different.
Because they'd be red. They're in the same sunlight. Because these red ones seem to change slightly in shade. Versus
Yeah, you can see this one back here. The back side of it's kind of green, but the front side of it where it's coming over the hot tub is, or I call it hot tub. It's not a hot tub anymore, guys. We don't have a heater for the pool, so. And then here's a...
that one's doing good.
Yeah.
That one looks really happy.
Another free plant. All right, we got one more bed here. This one isn't quite as done up as the other ones, and because this one gets a lot of splash. It gets a lot of splash. The kids like to jump off this rock here and splash around, and our little one
get out this way.
Yeah, our little one plays in the stairs here.
And probably dumps cups of water.
Yeah, but you can see we have more of the wandering Jew, and we have some more of this kind of snake plant here. Here's
Oyster plant.
Here's
Oyster plant.
and then we have this corn palm here that I actually just took a cutting off of. We actually have the world's largest corn palm out there. I'm not even joking. We should walk over there and show it to them. It's like it literally you can't even see the top of it. It goes up into this cabbage palm over here. Here it is right here, guys. It just goes up into this cabbage palm, and you can't even see it. Like, goes up into the canopy of the cabbage palm, and like this is the same corn palm that like you might have in your office, or that you see at the dentist office or something like that. Here in Central Florida, houseplants take on Jurassic proportions. So it's kind of cool.
Keep growing.
Yeah. So. All right. Well, I think that's it for now. I really like how you added all the pots. I really
still
like
trying to figure out like where it's best to kind of stick them. I kind of like them between the two chairs.
Yeah.
But I think I'd like to stick some more pots just all around.
They're just cool. They're
bring
their
up
own
some different heights.
Yeah.
For behind maybe these bromeliads, put some more pots in there.
Yeah.
And maybe in that corner right there.
Yeah. Well, we can't. That's where water drains right there.
Oh.
From this, that we have like a French drain right there, so they'll have to be
on the top of it maybe.
Yeah, or maybe just raise one and have it so the water can go under. You know, but. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour here. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you today, just post down below. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.